As the world around us prepares for cold weather, it reminds us to ensure our home is ready for the Minnesota winter. Heating costs make up the majority of your home's energy expenses, so it's a good idea to make sure your furnace is working efficiently. You don't want an unexpected repair or replacement bill when time isn't on your side. If you're adjusting your thermostat more often than usual, or your bill seems high, you may have a failing or inefficient furnace. Unusual basement noises like scraping, wheezing, popping, or banging are also symptoms of issues that may require a professional inspection or upgrade. If your current system is older than 15 years, it's probably a good idea to start doing your research and schedule a contractor visit. Upgrading your system versus repairing it may be a better solution for you, your home, and your budget. Today's furnaces are more energy efficient than ever. Even better news is there are hundreds of dollars of rebates available when you upgrade to an energy-efficient natural gas system. Saving money on your initial investment and on your monthly bills? Sounds like a win-win. Check out cashrebatesnow.com for more information on furnace rebates and other heating rebates like tune-ups and thermostats.